Hello, you're all welcome back again to my channel Team IT Creative. Today, our video is going to be based on how to open any software or application with keyboard shortcut keys on Windows. Without waiting much time, let's get to it. Open your Start menu, search for the particular app, software. Right-click on the app and click on Open File Location. Open the properties by right-clicking and selecting Properties. Locate shortcut key and click on the blank space. This is the main step in getting a keyboard shortcut for your app. Hold the Control key and it will automatically click on the Alt key. Don't worry, the next step is to choose a key for the app. I chose C because it goes with Chrome. We are done now. Use the keyboard shortcut key to open your app whenever you need it. Thank you.